show you how to pair and connect a pair of AirPods Max directly to your Sony TV. Okay, this is the one with Google TV. So the first thing is you want to go to the settings on your Sony TV. You can grab your remote and you may have a settings button on your remote. If you don't, no problem. You can just go and navigate on the screen and go directly to the settings. To navigate on the screen, you just want to go ahead towards your avatar, your photo avatar. Just go all the way up and just go right all the way. Keep going right there and then just go to settings right down there. Settings, click on OK. And then from here, we're going to keep going down to remotes and accessories. Remotes and accessories right there, and then we're going to move over to the right. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to go down to pair device, and we're going to go ahead and click on OK on the remote. It's searching right now. Let's grab our AirPods Max and put this in pairing mode. How you do that? That button right here, what you want to do is press and hold it. So press and hold that button and wait till you get like a white blinking light on the bottom. Okay, I'm still holding here. Now it's blinking. So now it's in pairing mode. Okay. So, oh, and it found it too. If you look on the TV now, down there, up there, it says AirPods Max. So let me go down, highlight it, click on OK. And it says pairing. Give it 1 second here. Pairing request, I'm going to go with pair. It's already highlighted for me. It says connecting now. And it says paired. Switch to audio to AirPods Max. And you can see the accessories right down here. So there you go. So now you can go ahead and use these and watch YouTube or Netflix or whatnot. Good luck. Oh, and if you couldn't get it to pair, guys, if you didn't get the white blinking light, just perform a factory reset. Okay, I'll have a link below in the description how to factory reset these. All right, good luck.